Welcome to the XFO Intelligence Podcast, the Cosmic Series. Before we dive in, we'd like to ask you a question. Do you enjoy music?
And more than that, how does it make you feel? That sudden swell of emotion from a single chord, or that primal urge to move when you hear a beat.
Have you ever felt, just for a moment, that there's a connection between that feeling and, well, everything else? The universe itself?
You know, for millennia, from the ancient Greeks to modern physicists, an unshakable intuition has persisted.
Right.
That music is a reflection of a deeper, universal truth. It was called the music of the spheres, a celestial harmony.
Yeah, I've heard that, but what if that wasn't just poetry? What if the harmonies that move our souls are the very same mathematical patterns that structure galaxies, atoms, and the fabric of space-time?
It's a profound thought. But what our research, conducted through Deep Augmented Thinking, is beginning to demonstrate is that this intuition is startlingly close to scientific reality.
Wow.
It's convincing. Harmonic principles appear to govern our reality at every conceivable scale.
Okay, so let's start with music itself. It's so much more than just organized sound.
Right.
In a way, it's a universal code. At its very core, music is the art of organizing vibration through simple, elegant mathematical ratios. The octave, for instance, is a clean 2-to-1 frequency ratio. The perfect fifth, 3-to-2.
And what's fascinating is that these ratios aren't just arbitrary human preferences.
Okay.
They are mathematical necessities for any wave system to achieve stability and energy efficiency. When a guitar string vibrates, it doesn't just produce one note.
Right.
It naturally creates a whole series of overtones, the harmonic series. This emerges directly from physics, not from human composition.
And it seems our brains are perfectly built for this. Our auditory cortex functions like a sophisticated, real-time Fourier analyzer, deconstructing complex sounds into their fundamental harmonic components. Even our own brainwaves, delta, theta, alpha, they exhibit harmonic relationships.
Wow.
Evolution may have favored brains that could detect these patterns, as they signaled important information in the natural world.
And this entire concept, it got its first major scientific validation back in the 17th century with the astronomer Johannes Kepler.
Kepler, right.
Using incredibly precise planetary observations, he discovered something that must have felt like magic.
Yeah.
He discovered that the ratios of the fastest to slowest speeds of the planets in their orbits corresponded precisely to musical intervals.
It's incredible to think about. Earth's orbit produced the ratio of a minor sixth. Jupiter and Saturn, a minor third.
Incredible.
And Kepler wasn't forcing the data to fit some preconceived notion. These celestial harmonies just emerged naturally from the math. It was the first concrete proof that the same principles governing music also govern the heavens.
And the pattern continues as we zoom in, all the way down to the atomic scale.
Yeah?
The Schrödinger equation, which describes the behavior of electrons, shows they occupy energy levels that follow clear harmonic relationships. The light from an excited hydrogen atom, it forms a perfect harmonic series, just like a musical instrument.
No way.
The very structure of matter is built on these resonant, mathematical rules.
Modern astrophysics has even made this cosmic symphony audible.
Okay.
Using a process called sonification, NASA has translated astronomical data into sound. They found pressure waves rippling from a supermassive black hole produce a note 57 octaves below middle C. They discovered the Perseus galaxy cluster hums with a constant B-flat.
Wow, a B-flat.
And these aren't random noises. They are the deep and resonant vibrations of the cosmos.
So, if these harmonic principles are so fundamental, shaping everything from the smallest particles to the largest galaxy clusters,
Right.
it leads to a very powerful and practical idea.
Exactly. It stands to reason that we could consciously harness these principles.
Hmm.
If we can truly understand this hidden architecture of reality, then systems based on these universal harmonics could potentially improve performance in so many areas, from healthcare and education to, I don't know, our focus and well-being in the workplace. The potential is truly immense.
It completely transforms our perspective. It suggests we're not just isolated listeners observing the cosmos from a distance.
Yeah.
The research points to a profound truth. We are not separate from the cosmic symphony. We are notes within it. The harmonic principles that structure galaxies are the same ones that structure our own neural networks.
And this isn't philosophy.
No.
It's becoming a measurable, testable reality. The universe seems to operate as this gigantic, interconnected resonance system where harmonic principles just emerge as the most efficient and stable solutions at every scale.
Right.
So, human music likely didn't evolve to imitate the cosmos, but to tap into the very same physical laws that govern it.
This reframes music. It's no longer just art or entertainment,
It's more.
but a form of universal technology, a fundamental interface between our consciousness and the very structure of reality. When we create or even just listen to music, we are, in a very real sense, tuning our biological systems to the frequencies that build the universe.
The cosmic symphony has been playing since the first quantum vibration echoed through space-time.
Wow.
We're just now, after millennia of listening, learning how to truly hear it. The music was never just out there in the spheres. It was in us all along, waiting to be tuned. Now, here's a question we'd like you to think about. If you are a note in this cosmic symphony, what harmony are you contributing to the whole? If you enjoyed this journey into the harmonic universe, please like, share, and subscribe to the XFO Intelligence Podcast. We have many more cosmic explorations to come.